so love spiralizing. It's fun to say and even more fun to do. I'm making sweet potato spiralized noodles with a basil cashew sauce. It's really easy to do. Just put your sweet potato into the spiralizer spikes and twirl. Just look at these gorgeous curls. Was she born with it? Or was it Spiralizer? And now for the sauce. I'm starting with soaked cashews because it plumps them up with water and it's gonna make my sauce silky smooth. A little fresh water. Nice hunk of parmesan. Lots of umami for a savory sauce. And now, the star ingredient, my roasted garlic. I actually like to roast up a bunch of these at the same time and then pop them in the fridge because they're so delicious in almost every recipe. Sometimes, even just spread on toast. And the more you roast them, the more you can use because their flavor just mellows and softens. It's so rich. Now's where the transformation happens. If you've never had a cashew sauce, you will not believe how creamy it is. There's no missing Alfredo when you have this. You can kick Alfredo to the curb with that one. So let's put it all together. Now for my gorgeous noodles. Just making sure all of my luscious spirals get a little bit of olive oil on them. Quick and easy. I think this needs something green. So I'm gonna go for basil, which is also known as the king of herbs because the name comes from the Greek for king. It has an awesome sweet taste and it plays very well with other herbs. Vibrant, sweet. It's always best fresh, which is why I put it on the end of the dish. This looks great. It's party time. I think it's important to celebrate you, so why not put on a nice dress, cook yourself something special, and enjoy a little time with yourself. The roasted garlic and the creaminess of the cashew and just a little crunch left on the sweet potato noodles. Incredible.